Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shrita. Today is Friday and June 25th, and our road trip has started. Like, practically not yet because we are at the gas station and please show me. And we need to pick up like water, which is gonna do it from this gas station as well. And yeah, it's a road trip vlog. We are going to, like, there is a story. I'm going to like explain all that when I'll reach at hotel. And yeah, let's start our vlog here. And here is the little one. Hello. Like, it's a 2.5 hour drive, so hopefully he's gonna do good. Yeah, let's see. And so we are taking break, actually food break. It's been an hour, I think, so we haven't have lunch. So we are going to pick up some food, and yeah, I did take a nap. That is good. So yeah, let's see what we're going to have. Kian, কি করছিস? দুষ্টুমি করছিস? Tata.
Thank you.
The food is here. We got the chicken biscuit and tender. There is some fries, and we got one spicy chicken sandwich, and we also got one lemonade strawberry. I mean strawberry lemonade. And there they are. Hello.
Hello. Say hi. Say hi.
लेमनेड खाबी? हाँ? अच्छा? अच्छा, शाट? কি খাচ্ছো?
দেবে না ওকে, দেখো না কি করে।
Hello, we are at the hotel. Let me show you guys the hotel first. Then we'll freshen up and maybe go out. Let's see. So this is the entrance. Then on the right there is a coffee machine, like a maker with coffee and all. And then on the left it has the bathroom with a nice mirror. Hello. And here's the shower. Then, can you open this one? This is for maybe the extra, yeah. It's a closet. So, then.
Where's the fridge?
Here's a bedroom, which has 2 queen bed. Then in the middle, it's a sitting area. There's the coffee station. Huh?
Small fridge.
Yeah, we need the fridge to keep his fruits and milk. And there's a full-size mirror. Hello, hello.
Where is the mic?
TV. Is another bed, another mirror, and the outside.
Where is the microwave?
I don't know. Hello. It's almost 8 and at last I got the time to freshen up. Kian already had his dinner. I did bring his dinner from home. I brought some pasta and yogurt for his dinner. So he already has his dinner, and after like 30 minutes he will go to bed. And Shomo already went to his like that G.I. Joe show or whatever that is. I don't know when he's gonna be back. He said he's gonna be back within 2 hours. So let's see. And yeah, the story I was like talking about before in this video. That is in my last vlog I told you guys that we're going to Atlanta. But you know what, we are in Augusta. Like Shomo was like keep telling me these days that we're going to Atlanta. And yesterday I was like and I told my friends to Atlanta, and they suggest to try out some Indian foods, go to some malls. So yesterday night what I wanted to do is just look for the distance from our hotel to that mall or the restaurant, whatever that is. Then I saw that it was showing like 2.5 hours from our hotel, both the mall and the shop and everything. I was like, why it's showing so far? It was like I thought it will show like only 35 minutes away, but then I saw that it's in Augusta. That means it's near the South Carolina border. So I don't know what we're going to do. At first I planned to go to some mandir or like temple in Atlanta or something, but we are not there, right? And I didn't explore what's nearby. Maybe tomorrow morning we'll decide and do whatever we like want to explore, but that's the story. And yeah guys, now you are so naughty, Bagga. You are so naughty boy. I was literally so hungry. Shomo just arrived with the food, thank God. He got some food from Sonic. It's a milkshake, which flavor I don't know. Then he got some onion rings, some chicken fry. I already take a bite. And some sandwich or something. Yes. yes, I'm at the bathroom ending this vlog. Kian is obviously asleep and I don't wanna wake him up. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Maybe this vlog will be a short one, but anyways, I hope you liked it. If you did, then please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. Let me know if you liked it, and I'm gonna see you guys soon in the new video. If you love to watch my videos and haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. That would be awesome. And yeah, I'm going to see you guys soon in the new video. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy.